You spend a third of your life asleep, but are you getting the most out of each stage? Hi, I'm Dr. Claire Rooms, a sleep specialist for Boots Online Doctor. In this video, we'll explain how sleep cycles work, what REM and deep sleep actually do, and how much of each you should ideally be getting. Sleep isn't just one continuous state. Throughout the night, your body cycles through several stages that make up your sleep cycle, including one stage of rapid eye movement, REM sleep, and 3 stages of non-rapid eye movement, NREM sleep. Stage 1 is the lightest stage of sleep and occurs as a person first falls asleep. Stage 2 is where the body starts to relax more deeply. Body temperature drops, muscles relax, and heart and breathing rates slow. Stage 3, or deep sleep, is the deepest and more restorative sleep, allowing the body to repair and recover. Stage 4, REM sleep, is where the most dreaming occurs. Brain activity increases and the body becomes temporarily paralysed. Most people go through 4 to 6 sleep cycles every night, each lasting around 90 minutes. These cycles are also influenced by your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock that helps regulate when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. Non-REM sleep versus REM sleep. While each stage of sleep is important in helping your body and brain recover, 2 of the most significant are deep sleep and REM sleep. Deep sleep is the deepest stage of non-REM sleep, and together with REM sleep, these stages play a key role in supporting your health. Deep sleep, physical recovery, muscle repair, immune system support, and restores energy. REM sleep, brain activity increases, dreaming occurs, memory processing, and emotional regulation. How much REM and deep sleep do you need? Adults typically need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, but within that sleep, there are recommended proportions for different stages. Deep sleep should be around 10 to 20% of total sleep. REM sleep should be around 20 to 25% of total sleep. For someone sleeping 8 hours a night, that usually means around 1 to 1.5 hours of deep sleep and around 1.5 to 2 hours of REM sleep. What happens if you don't get enough deep sleep? Deep sleep is an essential part of your nightly rest. Therefore, a shortage of deep sleep contributes to broader impacts of sleep deprivation. This can cause other symptoms on top of tiredness, including reduced alertness and attention, difficulty learning and remembering things, irritability or low mood, symptoms of depression or anxiety, increased likelihood of accidents and injuries, and over time, poor sleep can affect your overall well-being and daily performance. How to improve deep sleep. If you're wondering how to improve deep sleep, a few simple lifestyle changes can help support healthier sleep cycles. Here are some handy tips and tricks for a better night's rest. Research has shown that an inconsistent sleep-wake schedule affects people's circadian rhythm. Keeping a consistent sleep schedule can help people fall asleep faster. Screens are bad for sleep. The blue light they emit mimics sunlight and signals to the brain to stop producing melatonin, which can make it harder to feel sleepy. Caffeine and alcohol can both reduce sleep quality and limit the amount of deep sleep you get. To help improve sleep, it's best to avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening. Creating the right sleep environment can make it easier to fall asleep. A quiet, dark and cool room often helps, although the ideal sleep setup is personal, so try different things and see what works for you. Regular exercise can support better sleep, but avoid anything too energetic in the 90 minutes before bedtime if you find it makes it harder to wind down. Hopefully, these insights into sleep cycles, along with the tips we've shared for a better night's rest, have been helpful. If you've been struggling with sleep for a while, speak to a healthcare professional. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at insomnia, why it happens, and what you can do if you're finding it difficult to fall or stay asleep. For more expert health advice, subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel and explore our Health Hub for further support.